Hello everyone, we are a team Mark 7 and we have created FarmNet, our AI assistant for farmers. And FarmNet gives farmer guidance on crops, weather, pest and market prices and government schemes all at one place. It's work on mobile, web, SMS and even voice in local language so farmers can get help anytime, anywhere. This farmer often face challenges like late advice, limited market access, and low awareness of government schemes. They need a solution that is simple, fast, and work even in where internet is slow or unreliable. That is where a format comes in. It is a smart AI system that uses modular AI agent to give personalized answer for farmer. For example, it can tell you which crops to plant, how to manage pests, and today's market prices, and how to apply for subsidies. Even basic phones can use it via SMS or voice, making it accessible for everyone. So let me give a demo for our app. So here you can see this. This is our Android application in which it's shows connected. But for checking cross check, we can go to setting and check the servo services status and other things. Like here we can see it's not connected to front backend, so it's showing us it's not connected, but where due to something we cannot see here are not means not connected the, to backend. For here, if we pass any query, it's back to the original state where it says not connected. For most of you, if you use it for first time, it's mostly shows no connection because renders take time to relaunch the backend services. So for that we have to wait for 2 seconds. Here you can see is this showing disconnected. In this scenario, we have to close our application and means first of all you have to send a one query and close your application and reopen and check it where it's connected or not. Service and health status is up to the mark or not. So in that case, if we close our application and relaunch it, so in this whole process, whenever you see disconnected, just pass one query which automatically spin a backend server and close the application and change languages as per your preferences. Then it's work perfectly for times means number of query whenever. The main reason is behind when a server is idle for a time, it's goes got sleep, it got shut down for a while. For on the server, we have to pass a query and wait to relaunch it. As it we pass a query and we got the result of that query. And this AI is uh, very smart and give very precise data and information with the specific data from API fetch from API and server. And for our web application, its work also same. For first query, you have to send it to if server is not running, you have to send first query to launch a server and wait for it when it's working, and it's give you proper result on the query. And this application work well on front end and back end, and other instruction for running locally. I put it on instruction table, means instruction chart, and uh, also in application in repository, what readme file. So all this is from our side. Thank you for participating.